it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy. Today's video is my Ipsy PR for the month of May.
Be your own best beautiful.
Alright, we're gonna dive right in. First, I have our OG Ipsy Glam Bag. This is a $13 monthly subscription where you receive a small cosmetics bag and then 5 travel try me size items. And these were graciously gifted to me from Ipsy, so thank you so much to Ipsy for gifting. I have already gotten my regular Ipsy Glam Bag for the month. It was a banger. And I also got my icon box, which also was fantastic. And the consensus for this month, kind of overall from everybody's feedback and me seeing other people's videos and stuff, has been that May has been a standout month for Ipsy. So we're gonna go into our standard glam bag first. First up, I see the Kismet Baby. I'm assuming it is a gloss, and it's a really pretty soft pink. Next up, I see a Ciate London Velvet Skin Cream Blush in the shade Sassy. And that is what it looks like. That looks like it's going to be a color that I would love. So I am going to open it really quickly just to see. Yes, that looks so pretty. Should we swatch it? Oh, that is so pretty. Ooh, I'm excited to try this out. It seems to blend out really well. It doesn't feel super like oily or sticky or tacky or anything like that. And it's drying down almost instantly. Velvet, I think, is definitely a perfect name for that. It does feel super soft and velvet-like, so I'm excited about that. Next up, we have the NewCo, the Skin Filter Serum Phyto-Retinol. Next up is a First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Eye Cream. And then last up in our OG bag is the Jasmine Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in, oh mom. I will also open this and see what this looks like. And you guys know with my PR, if something is not going to work out for me, I will put it in a giveaway, a pay it forward or something like that. It does not go to waste. I think this is really pretty. I don't know that I'm going to keep this. I do like the combination of everything. I actually got one of the Kismet glosses as well, and I really liked it. So we had 3 makeup items and then 2 skincare items. I feel like that was a pretty good bag. This month with my PR, it is a little different because I'm used to getting my PR first and then kind of getting an idea of what I could get in my paid for package. And this month it is reversed. I'm getting this late because I did have my paid for subscription and then my Boxycharm and my PR subscription all in the same email. And of course, when they merged, I had to change that. So that's why it's taking so long this month. Next up, I believe this is the Refreshments box. And this is what our little package is looking like. First up, I see, oh, this is so pretty, a Trio Cotton Candy Set, brush set from SL Miss Glam. And truth be told, probably 92% of my brushes that I have are from subscription boxes from throughout the years. And SL Miss Glam are some of my favorites. They are beautiful, they're soft, they're fluffy, they're well crafted. I love them, so I'm really excited to have this. And you can typically tell SL Miss Glam branding from the rhinestones. Really, really cute. I am very excited about that. Next up in our little Refreshments box is a CAB Cosmetics Hydrating Setting Mist. That sounds amazing. Next up is a Dominique Cosmetics Smooth and Blur Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. You guys know, if you've been here with me for a long time, you know that I'm not a powder person per se, because my skin is so dry and textured. But I have heard some fantastic things about the Dominique Cosmetics one, so I'm actually excited to test this out. If you have tried it out, please let me know. But very excited about everything overall. Next up is, I have no idea. This is the Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub. Oh, nice. I've had the smaller version of this, and I just went through the little like lotion that we got in Boxycharm a long time ago. It was like in a little coffee cup. It smelled fantastic, and I love scrubs, so I'm super excited about this. I've never gotten one this big, so that's cool. And then last up in our Refreshments, Is this Boxycharm? And then last up in this package is something from Iconic London. It is the Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. And oh my gosh, that is really, really pretty. You guys know I don't typically keep the palettes and stuff. I try not to keep things that I know that I'm not going to use. I don't like to be wasteful. But I might have to try this because that is really, really beautiful. And I'm wondering now, just because I'm unsure of the Refreshments things, I don't know if it's coming in a Refreshments box, and this could be my Boxycharm by Ipsy. So if I am wrong at all, I will pop it right here on the screen for you guys and let you guys know, because typically with our PR package, we will get the standard bag, and then we also get the Boxycharm by Ipsy. And then of course quarterly we will receive the icon box. So this may have just been in a Refreshments box. I think that's what's going on here, y'all. I think this is my Boxycharm by Ipsy. If so, great, and I will correct myself. But we got our palette, we got our translucent powder, we got our Cab Cosmetics setting spray, we got our brush set, and the full size of the coffee scrub. I'm excited. I love this box. Love. I'm gonna note though, and it could be me, I'm not sure because, you know, my sniffer's still a little bit broke from having COVID. It's smelling very mildewy. I don't know. But some of the packaging is smelling a little mildewy. I don't know what that's all about. Not quite sure, but I'm just noting that for you guys. And then last up is our big box. This should be the icon box. And I loved mine, my paid for one. I was absolutely enthralled with it. And so many of you guys have really loved May as well. So here's our box. I'm trying to not look in too much. And first thing right on top, I see the MAC mascara, the Magic Extensions. If you know, you know, I love mascara. Mascara and brow products are my top purchased, top panned, top loved, used, gone through items. So I'm happy to have this. Next up is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Genius Brow Serum. Cool. I ended up getting the brow pencil and a concealer in my paid for bag, so I'm excited to try this. If you've tried it, let us know. Next up is a Anastasia Beverly Hills stick highlighter in the shade Bubbly. That is what the packaging looks like, and I'm gonna see what the shade looks like. It has a cute little brush on one side. I most likely would never use that. And it is actually a shade I think that I would use. I don't always use the stick highlighters. I feel like I have enough highlighters right now, so I'm gonna have to think on this one, but I like it nonetheless. I feel like we're going in a good direction. Next up is the Beauty Stat Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. And it says for all skin types. I did get one in my paid for bag, so I will set this one to the side. Next up is the Too Faced Killer Liner. Ooh, non-flaking, transfer resistant, 36 hour, and it's in Killer Black. I wish I had that today. I probably would have used it with this. Super excited to have this. And next up is the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. That also sounds incredible. And all of these will be a full size with the icon box, and it is 8 full size products for $58 quarterly. I think it's a fantastic bang for your buck. Next up is a palette, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam 2. I will open this up and look at this as well. There is the outside packaging. Oh, very pretty. A little bit more cool tone, a little bit more smoky, kind of grungy. I think that's super beautiful. Most likely not going to use that either, so of course I will pass that along. And then last up in my icon box is the Skin Inc. Body Sculpt Fit Serum. This velvety, lightweight body serum melts into the skin to help lift, tone, and smooth the appearance of uneven skin for a visible, brighter, and healthier glow. That sounds great. Antioxidant-rich caffeine stimulates microcirculation to help tighten and firm, while niacinamide helps to reduce appearance of lines, decongest as it strengthens overall skin barrier. I'm really intrigued by this. I think this was a fantastic box too. I'm telling you, I think that Ipsy did a fantastic job this month. I'm sorry that this particular box is so late, you guys. And again, I'm 99% sure that the Refreshments thing is my Boxycharm by Ipsy. So just assume it's my Boxycharm. Again, opening that box, maybe it's the box itself from the Refreshments. I'm smelling some kind of mildewy something going on in there. Let me know what you thought about your box. I feel like it's a banger. I feel like it's a fantastic box. And y'all know I like to do giveaways, especially secret giveaways here on my channel. So we're going to be giving away the Soft Glam Palette. We're going to be giving away the Beauty Stat Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. I'll throw in the little highlighter. I'll throw in the 2 little minis and the Kismet lip gloss. So if you want to enter to win these little goodies, all rules are going to be down below in the description box as always, but it's super easy. Pretty much you just have to be publicly subscribed. I just have to make sure that you're subscribed, so make sure that everything is public. You have to be 18 and be in the USA, please, or have a US mailing address. That's also fine. And leave a genuine comment down below and share the video out. Give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. I always do the winner 2 weeks from today at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. I will reply to and pin your comment. If your comment was not pinned and I did not reply to your comment and pin it, you are not the winner. I will never, ever ask you for any money. I will never ask you for any type of information, no credit card information, personal information, aside from where to ship it to. So just please use common sense. Please be vigilant in that. There's a lot of scammers and spammy crap that happens on social media and people get your information, and I do not want that to happen to you guys. So thank you to Ipsy for gifting. I really do appreciate it. I'm so eternally grateful for you guys as well. Thank y'all for being here. Good luck, beauties. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.